In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple files in Google Drive. If you need to organize, move, or share a batch of items, knowing how to select more than one file at a time will save you a lot of clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your Google Drive home. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you see the right files and folders. Let's begin with selecting a continuous group. Click a file near the top of your list to highlight it. Now press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click the file that appears last in the group you want. Everything between your first click and your last click is selected in one go. You'll see the items highlight, confirming they're included. This works the same in list view and grid view. If you grab the wrong range, click in an empty area to clear the selection and try again. Next, here's how to pick files that aren't next to each other. Click your first file to highlight it. Then press and hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac. While holding that key, click each additional file you want. Each click adds or removes a file from the selection, so you can fine-tune exactly what's included. This method is perfect for grabbing only the items you need without catching everything in between. You can also combine these techniques. For example, use Shift to select a large block, then hold Control or Command to deselect a few you don't need, or to add a couple more from elsewhere in the list. Keep an eye on the highlight state so you always know what's currently selected before you take action. Once your files are selected, look to the toolbar at the top of Drive or right-click the selection to move, share, download, or remove them all at once. These options apply to everything you've highlighted, which is why checking your selection first is so important. A couple quick tips as you practice: avoid dragging while you're selecting because that can start moving files unintentionally. And remember that clicking outside your files clears the selection, which is helpful when you want to start over. If your keys don't seem to work, double check whether caps lock or a custom keyboard setting is interfering, then try again. That's it. With Shift for ranges and Control or Command for individual picks, you can select exactly what you need in Google Drive quickly and confidently.